You guys see Schopenhauer there? Another German philosopher. And part of what the philosophers were doing at this period in history, they were trying to peel back this like metaphorical veil, and they were trying to peek behind the veil of this world we're living in and to see what were the fundamental underlying things that motivated all things. So for the medieval philosophers, if you pulled back the veil, you would expect to see God looking back at you because he is the source of all light and life. When we get to Descartes and his radical doubt, when you pull back the veil, basically you just see like a big question mark because we have all these things we can't answer or we can't know. By the time we get to Schopenhauer and he pulls back the veil, he said, oh, this is quite fascinating because the underlying motivators of all human activity are sex and violence. And that is what he believed was hidden right below the surface of our conscious minds, was we were just creatures full of sex and violence. And it's fascinating when you look at our society, whether it's football games and beer commercials, to pop novels and pulp fiction and all of that, you just see them permeated with these concepts of sex and violence within our society. Another attribute of Schopenhauer, he is also quite the misogynist. He had some serious women issues, and that kind of trickled over to one of the people he influenced heavily, which was Friedrich Nietzsche.